In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you return a PlayStation 5 back to its factory defaults using something called safe mode. Typically, you would perform a factory reset if you intend to sell, decommission, give away, or send your PlayStation 5 in for repair. While we can initiate a factory reset from the main user interface of our PS5, as safe mode is a troubleshooting tool that only loads a PlayStation 5's basic functions, we can use safe mode as an alternative way to perform a factory reset. However, before we start, it is worth noting that by performing a factory reset, we will return our games console back to its initial setup state, deleting all games, game saves, and user data. To place a PlayStation 5 into safe mode, we first need to ensure that our PlayStation is powered down. One way to do this is to press and hold down the power button on our console for roughly 3 seconds or until our PS5 beeps for a second time. We now need to wait until the status light on our console goes out. To place our console into safe mode, once again, we need to press and hold down the power button. However, this time, we need to press and hold down the power button for roughly 6 seconds or until we hear a second beep. When we release our finger from the power button, our console is placed into safe mode, and we're asked to connect our controller to our PS5 using a USB cable. After pressing the PS button on our controller, we're presented with the 7 options of safe mode. As you can see, there are 2 Reset PS5 options. The last option, Reset PS5 Reinstall System Software, will return our console back to its factory defaults by reinstalling a fresh instance of the system software onto our console. So typically we would use this option if we suspect that the operating system of our PS5 has become corrupted and we need a way to install a new instance of the system software. The option Reset PS5 will simply return our console back to its factory defaults, which returns it back to its initial setup state, deleting all games, game saves, and user data. However, because a new instance of the system software does not need to be downloaded first, this option is the faster of the 2 options. Let's select Reset PS5. We're now asked to confirm that we wish to delete all users and data from our console. When we select Yes, we start the process of factory resetting our console. However, while our PS5 is being reset, we should not remove the power or try to switch it off. After factory resetting itself, our PS5 will reboot and display an animation signifying that it's ready for setup. We can now either switch off our games console or plug in a games controller and start to set up our factory reset PS5.